Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to turn on dark mode in Windows 10. Now for many of you, dark mode may be the normal theme. As you can see, my taskbar is dark. However, for many people it can be white and disruptive to your eyes, especially during the night. So dark mode is quite a useful tool to ensure that your eyes are looking at your screen comfortably, and it just looks much cleaner and aesthetically pleasing in my opinion. Now, in order to do this, you are going to need to have an activated version of Windows. Unfortunately, there is no way around it other than getting a lucky system download, which is unactivated with dark mode. So in order to do this, what we're going to do is come onto our home screen. Next up, we're going to press on the Windows Start button and head to Settings. From there, what I'm going to do is head to the Personalization tab on the top right. From there are multiple settings. What we're going to be going to is the themes. From there, as you can see, there is Windows and there's Windows Light. For us, we want to be selecting the Windows option. As you can see, this is what Windows Light looks like, aka the dark mode. So quite annoying to the eyes. However, if you want to get dark mode, simply press on this. And as you can see, you have dark mode. Now for me, I believe this is the synced theme, but there are multiple options. I just prefer the Windows dark mode, just like this, and you can change your wallpaper and everything from there. Now another thing you want to do is go to colors and choose your default Windows mode. You want to make sure this is on dark, and make sure to choose your default app mode is on dark as well. From there, accent colors, I suggest Storm, and you should have an all-around dark system. If you do want to also have your background be dark, you can simply press on solid color and black, and now you have a completely black background. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy, make sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget that bell icon so you don't miss any of Growmore Tech's tutorials. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.